So in this video we are seeing the life cycle of malarial parasite, that is Plasmodium. So Plasmodium species, there are 5 types: Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium malariae, Plasmodium ovale, Plasmodium falciparum, which is most severe, and newly discovered Plasmodium knowlesi, which rarely exists in our India. So the Plasmodium parasite, it contains the infective form which is infectious to the human body. It is called as sporozoites. So sporozoites, these are stored into the salivary gland of the Plasmodium malariae or any Plasmodium species. The transmitting agent of the malaria is female Anopheles mosquito. When the infected female Anopheles mosquito it bites with the healthy human skin, there is release of these sporozoites into the skin. Via skin, it reach into the bloodstream. Within 30 minutes, the sporozoites they leave the circulation and reach up to the liver, and they cause infection of the liver. They bind with the receptors present on the hepatocyte, enters into the hepatocyte and undergo development. In hepatocyte, the sporozoites they are converted into the tropozoites. Some of the sporozoites they don't undergo development, and this dormant stage is called as hypnozoites. The tropozoites in hepatocyte they undergo several nuclear division and they form the structure called as cizone. After rupture of this cizone, there is release of several merozoites into the circulation. Merozoites they reach into the circulation and cause infection of the RBCs. They infect RBCs and they undergo development into the RBC, forming late tropozoites, late merozoites. After rupture of the RBCs, there is release of these merozoites along with one chemical called as hemozoin, which is responsible for the fever and chill or the symptoms of the malaria. These merozoites after release from the RBC, they cause infection of other RBCs. Some of the merozoites they don't continue further cycle, they undergo development into the RBCs and they form gametocytes. The gametocytes formed by the merozoites they are of 2 types: male gametocyte and female gametocyte. The male gametocyte they are smaller in size, hence called as microgametocyte, and the female gametocyte they are larger in size, and they are called as macrogametocyte or macrogametes. These gametocytes they don't undergo further development into the human body. When the female Anopheles mosquito bite with the infected individual, along with the blood meal, there is entry of this gametocyte into the female Anopheles mosquito. Along with this gametocyte, the female Anopheles mosquito also takes some asexual form which are degraded into the GIT tract. This gametocyte they reach up to the midgut of the female Anopheles mosquito, where it undergo development and it forms gametes over there. One female gametocyte it forms only one female gamete, and one male gametocyte, that is macrogametes, it forms 8 male gametes over there. These gametes they undergo fertilization into the gut and form zygote. The zygote develops into the ookinete. Then ookinete develops into the oocyst. In oocyst there is development of the sporozoites. After rupture of this oocyst, there is release of sporozoites via bloodstream. They reach to the salivary gland of the female Anopheles mosquito, where they are stored. And when this female Anopheles mosquito bind with the another victim, it continues the cycle. So this is all about life cycle of the female Anopheles mosquito. It takes place in human body as well as female Anopheles mosquito. The asexual cycle it occurs in human being while in female Anopheles mosquito there is sexual cycle.